How to easily redeem Duolingo promo code 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Duolingo promo codes, as you can see, and press enter. And after pressing enter, you can see multiple web links here. You just have to simply open 2 or 3 web links from here, and then let's check the promo codes. As you can see, in simply codes, there are get 1 month free super Duolingo, 10% off, free 1 month, a special offer, and many more promo codes. So you just have to simply click on the view codes from here, and as you can see, this is the promo code. You just have to simply click on copy and paste to your Duolingo purchase cart or Duolingo purchase dashboard, and you can get 1 month free super Duolingo using this code. Or you can also click on shop at Duolingo, and it will redirect you to the Duolingo purchase cart for you, and you can check all of them and look for what or which code is working with you fine. And if we go to the other website like Get Droid Tips, we can see there are multiple promo codes like Lingo Boost, New Year 10, Thanks 100, Explore, Lang, and all. You just have to simply copy these codes on your purchasing dashboard and see which one works with you. And these are like get 1 month free Super Duolingo, enjoy 10% off, and then claim a free month of Super Duolingo, save up to 60% on Duolingo annual plan and all. And if you check on the other web link, we can see here are other promo codes like this one. We can just simply copy and the rest of the work is the same as I have told you earlier. You just have to simply click here and copy and paste them to the Duolingo purchasing tab. And you can also click on get here, and you can see this will redirect you to the Duolingo purchasing dashboard. And you can get sign up for the course free of cost and refer and get 1 week of Duolingo free course, no promo required. So you can get these benefits with this course. So that's how you can redeem a Duolingo promo code in 2025. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.